Hi, welcome to this new tutorial on Excel shortcut keys. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on function keys along with the shift key. F1, we don't have any shortcut key for this. No shortcut key for shift F1, right? Now, when we consider the second one is shift F2. Shift F2 is for editing comment. When you want to write some information about the particular cell or group of cells, we can write comments. That can be done easily with the shift F2. Suppose if I think about writing comment for F4, then I have to simply click on shift F2. Automatically I can write comment here. So like F4, whatever the purpose that I use it for, I can write here. The information that I think about writing about a particular cell or group of cells, it can be written by using edit comment. Suppose I think about pasting a function here. I want to use point functions which are available in Excel. I want to insert them here directly by clicking on shift F3. I can get insert function dialog box here. All the function categories will be available depending on our requirement. We can select the particular category of function, or we can also select all the functions or most recently used function depending on our requirement. We have to simply click on the function. Automatically the function will get inserted. That is the use of paste function as shift F3. So now find again. So before I use find again, it is important to use find for one time. After using find previously, the same find function can be done by using F4. Suppose if I search for 12, suppose take one example. I am using find option and I am finding 12 now. Okay. Once I find 12, I am just clearing it. Now I can use find again. What is the shortcut I have to use? Shift F4. Now I can get where 12 is present. So it is important to remember that we have to use find function at least once before using find again. Otherwise we cannot use it properly. So shift F5 for find function. When we use shift F5, directly I can open find and request dialog box where I can search for different information. Okay. Previous 10. Now the next shortcut, shift F8. So when I use the shortcut shift F8, back to selection. So suppose if I select 4 cells, now when I click on shift F8, what I can do, whatever cell that I click, that cell will be added to the selection. Okay. All the cells that I click will be added to the selection. In this manner, I can use the shortcut for extending my selection. Okay. In this manner, the selection of text can be extended, or selection of cells can be extended by using the shortcut shift F8. Okay. Now I'm moving on to the next shortcut. I am simply clicking it again so that the next selection will not take place. Okay. To extend the selection, we use the shortcut. Add to selection, we use the shortcut shift F8. Now consider shift F9. I have values here. I'm updating this value. I'm updating this value as 25, and here I have formula like G9 plus H9. The addition of these two numbers will be printed here. In use of this calculate worksheet, I get the calculation option as manual. So when I click on Shift F9, automatically the calculations that have to be completed in the worksheet will be done. And now you can see the updated value after adding these two values in G9 and the H9 cell. So in case of F10, context menu, whatever options that we get by right click on mouse, we can get those options by using the shortcut Shift F10. Okay, by clicking on Shift F10, the context menu will be displayed. And when I think about the insertion of new worksheet, I can simply do it by Shift F11. New worksheet is inserted, right? Shift F11 is the shortcut. And F12, Shift F12 for save. As it is already saved, nothing, no problem. If you are doing it for the first time, to save the document or to save the changes, we have to use Shift F12.